This is Houston, contact with a test. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, my name is Malayna Solomon.
And I'm Claire Sigmund. What is the hypothesis panspermia? Panspermia is the hypothesis that proposes that microscopic life forms that can survive the effects of space become trapped in debris that is ejected into space after collisions between planets and small solar system bodies that harbor life.
The materials they are using are witness plates, dry adhesive, silicone, mirror, frame, and aerogel, which is pale blue.
We know that there is not much debris on Earth as there is in space, so we are sure that this experiment is just happening on the ISS. This is being done in the Japanese part of the ISS, also known as JAXA.
In a small pallet called XHAM, installed into the handrail of the Kibo EF, blocks of low-density solid material are called aerogel. They are exposed and later revealed that captures impacting solid microparticles, such as organic bearing micrometeoroids and possible terrestrial particles in low Earth orbit for assessing the possibility of interplanetary life and its persecutors.
This experiment is important because if they catch debris from other planets, it could help people study those planets.
We hope you enjoyed this video.